Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to make a tiny flower using a small sheet of paper. Take 8 into 8 centimeters of paper. Fold it as shown in the video. Again fold it backside as shown in the video. Cut it as shown in the video. Mark like this using a pencil and a pen cap and cut it as shown in the video. Now stitch the circle part to the flower carefully. That's it, our beautiful flower is completed. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.